Hello. So in this video, these are for expense management agent. If you don't have watched my previous video, I have other videos for finance applications. So this one is for expense management. Imagine if you have a data coming in your agent with, for example, with these columns, date, employee, description, category, and amount. So, and then you have FastPolicy limits. For travel, if you have a travel record, the amount will be compared to your policy. For travel, let's say 500 as an example. Meals, 100. Training, 1,000. And this is your example data here. There's an amount, and this is the category. So there are two flag items in this example here, and there's a reason for that. Reason within policy, if there's a, this is flag because it exceeds 100 limit for meal, and this one is flag also because it exceeds 1,000 training limit. Yeah, because this is categorized as training. So you can add more data here, and then it will reflect here. So for audit expenses, you can use LLM. For example, you are about to create a report, and to save typing, you can just copy this into your report. For example, let's say let's regenerate it. This time I'm gonna use Llama 3.2. If I generate the audit expense, I will have some context. Using this context, the primary, this table here, it will be interpreted by LLM or Llama. We are using local LLM, which is Ollama. Now you can have this team dinner, it says exceeds 100. So what you can do is you can copy this into your report. So you save typing. There's a reimbursement summary. If you don't like the text here, you can rerun it, and then it will modify a bit because this is nondeterministic. You can reword the report. Or if you want some other style like Gemma, if you run it for Gemma, it will have its own style of presenting the audit expenses report. So for just a bigger model, that's why it's taking a bit longer than the other model. Okay, in a bit it will finish. Okay, so Gemma is done. It returned a table as a basis, and I think there's a flag here, a flag. Okay, this one is exceeds meal limit, exceeds training limit, missing receipt. So it also flagged the missing receipt for other, because I added other here. I added here, but there's no description. Yeah, this one. But for Gemma, it included a policy explanation and also recommendation. So what action they can do. Conference fee, okay, this is the action. For simplicity, we can just use, for example, fee or phi. And it will just respond quickly. Okay, yeah. So if you like this style of reporting, then you can copy this and then paste it to your report as an expenses management. So this is the expense management agent. You can download the code from the GitHub in the description below.